These 5 things explain how people often misunderstand the INTJs. Sometimes, we can't understand our INTJ friends since they're unique and rare. For your information, this is a unique personality type that shows how they see the world from a different perspective. Generally, people tend to see everything based on the actual data and real facts, but INTJs always try to find out the underlying meaning behind everything. Needless to say, INTJ people always have a unique way of thinking. They have their insights, and they tend to have more wisdom, and always apply them strategically in their daily lives. When INTJs decide to speak with other people, they always speak based on their way of thinking with their preferences. They mostly believe in their preferred function, and they prefer to do it more. Though this is a bit difficult for them to do, since they have to process many things, this is how they can motivate and persuade people. The downside is that their complicated thinking process often makes people misunderstand them, especially those who don't know INTJs well. Here is some misunderstanding that might happen for those who still don't know the INTJs people. But before that, don't forget to like and share this video if you think this video is interesting to you, and do subscribe to our channel if you're new here. Number 1. People might have an opinion that INTJs are heartless and cold. Since INTJ people are always talking uniquely and based on their way of thinking, it's like how they speak is based on the preferred symbols that only they can understand. Not to mention, some of their talks may not represent the situations at present, so this might trigger other people to think that INTJs are so heartless and cold. This is usually the most common misunderstanding about INTJ, especially from the crowd's viewpoint, where they don't understand the INTJ well. 2. Others might think that INTJs are so robotic. It also commonly happens how INTJs are described as robotic persons. Since they can't or rarely express their feelings verbally, and the fact that they're a true introvert at the core, they often do things based on scripts. They tend to prepare everything beforehand and execute exactly as it is, including any other scenarios. But mostly, it's because they have the richness of their deep thoughts and are emotionally private when they want to share something in their mind. 3. INTJs are often described as careless with others. Since most INTJs can't express themselves openly, some think they don't care about others and only care about themselves. In actuality, it's the other way around. They always care for others, but they're smart in hiding their feelings. They even have an inner nature that shows how they're caring. 4. INTJs are awkward and weird. Most INTJs are often described as weird and awkward people. It's all because of how they process things differently and are busy with their thoughts. INTJs are often so unique that sometimes it's socially unacceptable for others. That's why most people think that they're so weird. You know that many people can be awkward and shy, including INTJs, so this is not a generalization. 5. Most INTJs are unsociable or selectively social. When you invite the INTJs, but they didn't come to your event, that doesn't mean they're unsociable. It's all because they usually have good planning ahead, and they're strict with the plan. They already have a clear and detailed script for everything they want to do. That's why when they skip one of the activities they already planned, it makes them feel annoyed. This is one reason why they don't or can't attend the events when they already have one. Well, what do you think about this? I'm sure there are many more misunderstandings you may experience as an INTJ. So, please let us know your experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.